Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your Earbuds CREATIVE Zen Air Pro from your Android device. You have to start by open Settings and then go to Connected Devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here on the right side we have a button Disconnect. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So, when you tap at disconnect, it leaves your device at the device list. And if you select unpair it, it will remove your device from your phone. And now let's check it. I tap on it, and as you can see right here, it left at the device list. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!